H vector is minus cos theta I caret plus sin theta. Did you all draw it?
Yes.
Okay, who has found the magnitude? 6 kilo, 7 no kilo. They are same, aren't they?
Yes.
Right. Exactly what's your answer? 1. Same reason
Yes.
as it was in 6, right? So h is going to be under root minus cos theta square plus sin square theta. So that is going to be 1. Alright, because square of a negative number is still positive. Okay? So h is 1. Now have you found the angle? Theta? Sure? Who agrees? Okay. That theta is with what? No, that you are saying theta. You are saying angle theta. It is negative. That's right. Angle theta will be with negative x-axis. Let me draw it so that everyone can understand this better. Look at this. X component negative or positive?
Negative.
Y component?
Positive.
Which quadrant? Which quadrant? Second. Is that clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's say this angle is alpha. Okay. And this is h vector. So this is hx. And this is hx. So if we use tan alpha, then tan alpha is equal to hy upon hx. So hy is sin theta. Correct or not?
Yes.
And hx is cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. That's why alpha should be same as theta. Got it?
Yes.
So angle with this side, that is negative x side, is alpha, which is equal to theta. Understood?
Yes.
So if someone says what's the angle with positive x,
Minus.
think about it. This is theta on this side. This is the angle with negative x. Then we have to find what's the angle of this vector with the positive x. Is that okay or not okay?
Yes.
Sure. The one that I have marked, that's clear.
Yes.
How much is that?
180.
180 minus theta.
Yes.
How do we know? Because a straight line gives 180 degree. If this much is theta, then the rest on that side, okay, should be 180 minus theta. You can also write it as pi minus theta. Do you remember? 180 degree is how many radian? Pi. The pi minus theta. If it is in radian. If it is in degrees, then 180 degree minus theta. Understood? Correct answer. So alpha is theta when we measure it with negative x. Any questions about this? Probably this was the toughest in my view out of all. No questions? Everything is clear?
Yes.
Do not take it lightly, huh? Please, if there are questions, do ask, because then we are going to use all of this in some physics problems. Shall we proceed?
Yes.
Alright. Next one. This is I. 6I caret. Okay, well done there. Magnitude. એટલા લોકોને એમ છે raise your hand again, who has got the magnitude? અરે બાકીના લોકો બોલો બોલો. This question is very 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 easy. Yes or no?
Yes.
6I caret. And how many j caret?
0.
J caret. Is that okay? There is no need to write. Clear?
Yes.
Okay or not okay?
Yes.
When someone asks you how many pens do you have, then you say 3 pens and 0 erasers and 0 scales and 0 compass boxes and 0 raincoats and 0 umbrellas. What I mean to say is, there is no need to write. Is it fine?
Yes.
And when it's not written, we understand by default that it is going to be 0. So this is it. So magnitude. How to find magnitude now? Under root 6 squared plus 0. So 6. Is that okay?
Yes.
Another way. If you compare it with what we have learned earlier, every vector is written like this. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
What does that 6 indicate? Magnitude. Correct or not?
Yes.
I caret indicates
Direction.
direction. Okay, so let's find the angle now. Angle of that vector. With whatever you have found, it's okay. X axis, Y axis, Z axis. Yes, Anjali.
0 degree.
With
Positive x-axis.
who agrees?
0.
0 degree with positive x-axis. Who agrees? Okay, who disagrees? No one. Correct. It is 0. There is really nothing to do. You just draw it. Done.
Yes.
How will you know? This is in which direction?
Positive.
Direction of positive. So how much is the angle between this direction and this direction?
0.
It is 0. Correct or not?
Yes.
Good job. Well done. Is it fine?
Yes.
No confusion?
No.
Okay. Then next one. Last 10 is over. Okay. Minus 5 j cat. फटाफट बोली जाओ ये आंसर. Magnitude 5. 0 2. With what? Chaos. Raise your hand. Raise your hand for the answer of angle. एक एक ने पूछे तो खबर पड़ेगा. Alright? Yes, he. 0 degree with negative x axis. Who agrees? Jennifer, what's your answer? You agree, Ansi? 0 degree with negative x. Okay. 0 degree with negative y axis. Who agrees? All right. Any other answers? Let's draw it. What is the vector? Minus 5 j n. Okay. And letter is what? One minute. J letter. Doesn't matter much. Only that people will know that you don't know how to write anything. So this is j vector. Is it fine in this direction? So it is towards which axis? This is y and this is x. So this is negative y and negative x. So it's towards the
Negative
y.
y.
The angle that it makes is 0 with negative y. Is that clear?
Yes.
How much angle would it make with positive x?
180.
How much angle would it make with positive x? This vector is downwards. Oh, 90 with positive x. What's the angle?
90.
Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Here understood what mistake you made? Instead of this you considered it x by mistake. Correct or not? Okay. Sit down. We'll try. So her answer was right. Negative y and 0 degree. And if you write it with positive x, how much? 90 with negative x. Actually with positive x we should write minus 90. I just correct myself. Why so? Is that okay?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Or not sure?
Yes.
With positive x it's minus 90 because we are going clockwise. Right? And last one now. Minus 2 cos theta I cat plus 2 cos theta j cat. Sorry, 2 sin theta j. Right, who has done it? Guru Lego? Okay, Tama, what's your answer? Magnitude first. 2. It will be 2 root. Then whose answer is 2 root 2? 2 is your answer. Whose answer is 2 root 2?
Sir, if we follow Pythagoras theorem, then it will be 2.
But by 2 different methods, you can't get 2 different answers, right? One of them has to be wrong. So you are saying 2 root 2 is the correct. Okay. You got 2 by which method? The formula that we are using.
Yes.
Okay. So she is saying that the formula that we are using gives us 2. And by Pythagoras theorem, we are getting 2 root 2. Okay. But do you remember that the formula under root ax square plus ay square gives us magnitude was actually derived from Pythagoras theorem? No?
Yes.
You remember how we did it? Then we draw a vector, let's say this is a vector A, then this is AX, and this is AY. So by Pythagoras theorem we were getting, okay. So I find it impossible that Pythagoras theorem can give a different answer, because this formula itself is the Pythagoras theorem. I see what mistake you have made. What you have done is you have written 2 here and you have written 2 here. And then when you took the magnitude, you got 2. Correct or not? But that's a slight mistake. This is not 2, this is 2 cos theta. And this is 2 sin theta. Now if you list Pythagoras theorem, you get the same answer. Alright? You can check it. 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta. Try it this way. Correct answer is 2. There is no doubt about it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or are you all totally confused by this discussion? You are clear about it now? No, what's not clear? What's this? That's not clear? Understood? X component, Y component. Now you use Pythagoras theorem by putting A, B, B, C and okay? Fine. So the correct answer is indeed 2. What was the name of this vector? C. C. So magnitude of C vector is going to be under root. What should I write? Square of this. So 4 cos square theta. Yes or no?
Yes.
Anything else now? Plus 4 sin square theta. Okay?
Yes.
4 common. Yes. And then okay, cos square theta plus sin square theta is a grand 1. Alright? So answer is 2. Got it?
Yes.
Okay or not okay?
Yes.
Now direction. This would be same as one that we did here. Abhi ek question. What's the what's the change from this vector to that? This is multiplied by 2. So actually it will be double in length compared to that. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or not clear?
Yes.
But the angle would be same. The direction would be same.
Same.
Something like that. આવું કઈ યાદ આવે છે? B vector equal to K into A vector. Yes or no?
Yes.
It's that type, isn't it? B vector equal to K into A vector. આને શું કહેવાય? What's the title? Here, what are we doing? We are multiplying K with A. What's K? And A is a vector. So multiplication of got it? Multiplication of scalar with a vector. The topic there. So if this 2 is positive, I mean K, that's 2, which is positive. What that means is C vector and H vector are in
Same dimension.
बराबर है? C vector and H vector are in
Same
dimension. Is that clear?
Yes.
So whatever is the angle made by this, the same will be the angle made by that. ખાલી ફરક કેટલો છે? આ જ છે. તો C એનાથી double છે. Did you understand?
Yes.
But they are in the
Same direction.
So I will not repeat it. આ જ આવશે. અહીંયા 2 2 આવશે. Do you realize what I am saying? CY CH. Go to cut. How will you do it? Fine.
Yes.
Okay. That's it now. હજી કઈ હતું homework? Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Finally, it's over. And hopefully this practice will be enough for you. And you will not forget anything that we have learned overall here. Okay, so last time, if I remember it correct, I was teaching you about resultant in form of A, B and theta and all that. Am I right?
Yes.
Do you still have that parallelogram drawn?
Yes.
I have to draw it again. Please help me with the letters. Alright? બાકી તો બધું ઠીક છે. So this was C, D, E, F, G. Alright. So I told you that this is R vector. Correct or not?
Yes.
Right of law of addition. This angle is alpha, this angle is beta.
Beta.
And the whole angle between A vector
Theta.
and B vector. Let's call it theta. So I told you that if you have parallel lines, exactly as you is this clear?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Fine. So this is where we were, right? Now, of course, by alternate angles, here we have alpha and here also we have beta.
Beta.
So we are going to express this R, which is C to E, in form of A, B and theta. Let's start. Do you see a big right angle triangle?
Yes.
With R as the hypotenuse?
Yes.
So do you agree that CE squared? Okay, pull up that. How the one hand was in triangle CEG. But sometimes theorem. Okay, probably all hit it. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Endless biology, my God. Okay, CE squared is equal to what should I write?
CG
CG squared plus EG squared. Alright?
Yes.
Okay. First of all, leave a lot of space on this side and write EG squared value. Okay? What is EG squared? Look at EG. This is here. Do you see a small triangle?
Yes.
Okay, its hypotenuse is B. If you want, I can draw it again over here so we can focus on where we want. This is G, this is E, and this is B. This is B, correct or not?
Yes.
And this angle is theta. So from this triangle only, can you find out what is this EG? Yes. Use trigonometry. Theta is given, we want to find that side. Do it. I will not do it. I want you to learn. So you will do it. Okay? Comment वाला है, मुझे नहीं. Answer should be in form of B and theta, nothing else. अरे component के लिए बदल देता है ना जो करना. Done. Theta B कैसे? B theta. Theta equal to EG. Quite evident. What did you say? Theta equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Theta equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is opposite upon. Sin तो लोगों पढ़े ना. Correct. Similarly, then try to think of what to write for CG. This derivation will be asked in the test that you have. Okay? Can it is? क्या रहते? Monday ना? Fix it. भाई, એનું કઈ નહીં કહો આવે છે નોય આવે. Yes, we are done. How many of you have finished it? How many of you have found EG? Trigonometry we want to find EG, correct or not?
Yes.
And theta is here. So from this, if I want to find this, what ratio should I use? Opposite, so we should use sine because we know the hypotenuse. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so if you do that, what do we get? EG equal to, मैंने को final answer है तो B sin theta. Fine?
Yes.
અહીંયા લગાડવાનું છે. B squared sin squared theta. Got it? Now left side. CE is length of R. So I should write R squared. Did you get it? What is meaning of writing R only like this? That is C. No square not. So C square is R square. Got it? Equal. Now here I want to write CG. Look at what we have here, big thing CG. What should I write CG as? CD. What is CD? plus something. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay, so I am going to write CG as A plus something. That something you have to find. I repeat, look at this, C to G. That is CD plus something, but CD is how much? A. समझाइए थे?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
So, आप find out on this. DG, but how much is DG?
B cos
Come back to this triangle. We want to find DG.
B cos theta.
How much is BG?
B cos theta.
B
Cos
cos theta.
theta.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Say that. This is the adjacent side. Correct or not?
Yes.
Just like here you did it with sin theta, here you should do it with cos theta. You will get BG is, DG is B sin theta. Is this step complete? Excellent. Is it fine?
Yes.
તમારે જરૂર નથી પડે કેવી રીતે આ બધું લખજો તમે ડેરિવેશનમાં લખવું પડે તમારે that dg is equal to b cos theta and putting it from there and all. Fine. Okay so far.
Yes.
So what have we used? We have used Pythagoras theorem. R square is this square plus this square, and eg square is b square sin square theta, and cg is a plus little bit and then little bit is b cos theta. હવે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા આવડે છે a plus b cos theta or x plus y whole square formula.
Yes.
How many of you know it? બધાએ નથી બોલ્યું. My experiences are not good with this. X plus y whole square. All right. Otherwise, are you sure? ભૂલી ગયા એવું થયું? Yes, here. Correct. Well done. X square plus 2xy plus y square. Perfect. Alright? We are going to use it here. So this is equal to
X square plus
a square plus 2ab cos theta plus b square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta. Okay?
Yes.
Trigonometry na sum થઈ ગયા પછી. Anything
square
here?
B square common.
What?
B square.
B square is common. What's it? Cos square theta plus sin square. And a square plus 2ab cos theta as it was. Understood?
Yes.
What's cos square theta plus sin square theta?
1.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, the final step is r is equal to, see, you put this as 1 and then you take square root. So square root of, what should I write? What should I write? A square plus b square, okay, right? A square plus b square, because b square into 1 is b square, plus 2ab cos theta. Did you understand?
Yes.
આટલી મોટી ફોર્મ્યુલા હા બરાબર ને યસ યાદ રહેશે રાખવી પડશે ડોન્ટ હેવ ચોઇસ. Alright, so what's this formula for? Magnitude of resultant. This is the formula for magnitude of resultant. R for the magnitude of resultant. Vector નથી ને? Okay, just the magnitude of resultant. It is under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. A for magnitude of A, B for magnitude of B. What is theta? Angle. आपको describe करो तो figure जोड़ने. What is theta? Angle between A vector and B vector. Is that absolutely clear?
Yes.
Let's write it here. Theta. मैं लोग जो बोले ना ना पूछिए सबने. Theta is angle between A vector and B vector. Okay. So this is the formula of magnitude of resultant. Now let's talk about the angle of resultant. Angle that is. We'll find out how much angle R makes with A. I repeat what I've said. we'll find out how much angle R vector makes with A vector. Alpha. Alpha છે ને?
Yes.
Sure? Can you see it in that figure?
Yes.
Angle between R vector and A vector is alpha. So we will try to find alpha. Now, can you see a right angle triangle where alpha is one of the angles?
Yes.
Which triangle is that?
C.
Which triangle?
C.
C, G,
E.
E. Okay? So I am continuing with the derivation here for finding the angle. Alright? So in एक જ step है वो in CEG or CGE triangle I want to find alpha, so I will use tan alpha. Okay, so what will be tan alpha according to this triangle? Tan alpha means what? Tan means opposite of what? Tan. So what is the opposite of alpha? Yeah? EG. Is that clear or not clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
If you are finding it tough, you can draw a miniature model of that triangle here. C, E, G. So easy for it. Okay, so EG upon C. Okay. What is EG?
B
B
side
sin theta. Have we written it earlier?
Yes.
What is લખવાનું છે ને યાર? B sin theta divided. What is CG?
A plus B.
How do you again say?
A plus B cos theta.
So this is another formula. Okay, this is the formula to find alpha. Suppose you put all the values and then whatever angle you are getting, then you can find. Okay, suppose you get, after putting all these values, you get root 3, then alpha would be 60. Suppose you get 1, after putting all the values, then alpha would be 41. Okay, I know you might have a question. After બધું યાદ રહે આવું યાદ રાખવાની આ કઈ જરૂર નથી. It's very simple if you learn how to derive. કેટલા સ્ટેપ્સ નો કર્યું છે? Provided you know the basics. Which basics? Okay, અહીંયા b હતું. So this is b cos theta and this is b sin theta. Obviously vector draw કરો તેના component માં. Now this triangle, what C to G, અહીંયા a છે ને અહીંયા b cos theta. So the divide. And all. Got it? So if you draw this 2 or 3 times, I think you'll be able to visualize it so easily. याद रखने जरूर नहीं पड़े. And I'm saying that because I very clearly remember that when I was in 11th, I used to hate this. I used to think, "Ah, okay, the याद है ना रे, A की जगह B जरूर है, B की जगह A जरूर है." ये क्या the याद रहे cos theta और sin theta numerator में लगाना मैंने cos theta denominator. It was all very complicated. So I took the hard route, that is derive it 3 or 4 times. रोज एक बार करना पड़ता 5 मिनट થાય કે વધુ ન થાય. After 4 or 5 days, you don't even need to derive for the rest of your life. ખબર જ પડી જાય જોઈને કે આમ જ આવે. પૂરતી. Alright? So whenever a formula troubles you too much, you derive it a few times. પછી formula તો શું આખો derivation જ મોડે યાદ રહે. Right? Okay. So this is about angle here. Just like this, you know, if you want to find tan theta, above alpha find value theta nahi find one. So what's this alpha first of all? Lucky the what's alpha? Angle between, look at this. Angle between angle between R vector and A vector. R means which vector?
diagonal.
Resultant. Angle between resultant vector and A vector. Is that clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, so this is with R and A. Now we will find it for R and B. So જેવું આ છે એ સોલ્વ કરી શકાય, right? How so? There is no right angle triangle shown here, but I'll play a little trick which is very easy to do here. Instead of alpha, we are finding beta, correct or not?
Yes.
Means instead of finding angle between R and A, we are finding angle between R and B. So do you realize that the roles of A and B have been interchanged?
Yes.
This is between R and A, and this is between R and B. So it's like A has been replaced by B, and B will be replaced by
A.
So log is of
A
A sin theta upon B
B
cos A cos
cos
theta. Is that clear?
Yes.
Of course you can derive it, but for that you will need to draw a right angle triangle here. Out per se. Okay, then you will be able to do it. Right? But there is really no need to do it separately. I would derivation से खाली diagram लगा. Okay? So in exam nobody will ask you this, don't worry. Right? अब तो आवा question पूछे और दूसरा question. बराबर है. Formula याद रखियो A नहीं, and then we get asked about B or beta, right? So that's why you have to be careful. You can literally cheat. What is given as B in the question, you call it A. And what is given as A in the question, you call it B. And find out by this formula, answer will be same. Of course, right? नाम बदलवाती angle थोड़ा change है. Okay, now do you hear it?
Yes.
Okay. Resultant done. Time for difference. D yache R and D. R for
Difference.
resultant. D for difference.
Difference.
Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now to do that, first of all, the title book, magnitude of difference. This is also a very useful formula. To do this derivation out, what we will use is this same diagram. But writing D vector as A vector plus minus B vector does it, correct or not?
Yes.
Plus minus B vector means what? Minus B vector. If you remember, we have done it like this earlier. Alright? Okay, what is meaning of minus B vector? Opposite to the B vector, correct or not?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So let's draw the diagram. So I want you to leave, leave space below it when you draw it. So if you are like near the end of the page, draw it on the next page. So this is A vector. Where was B vector? B vector was going that. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. So I will draw a dotted line here, which is showing the direction of B vector. This angle was theta. Did you get it?
Yes.
That's where B vector was. Now I am going to reverse it, and we now have minus B vector here. Did you understand?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Now ignore this B vector. This is addition, correct or not? Do not get confused. If you write plus and minus, this is ultimately addition of two vectors. Which two? A vector and minus B vector. Addition of A vector and minus B vector. Correct or not?
Yes.
It's just like saying that 5 plus minus 3. Is it subtraction or addition? 5 minus 3 करना को तो subtraction. But if you write it in this form, this is addition. Addition of two numbers. Which two numbers? 5 and minus 3. Just like that, this is addition of two vectors. Which two vectors? A vector and minus B vector. So this is A vector, B vector, minus B vector, and I'm going to complete the parallel graph. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Have you understood this so far?
Yes.
Take it parallel. Now, this and this are parallel sides. So if this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Is it? Alternate angle. Okay? Now, to complete the difference vector, I will have to draw a diagonal, because in a parallelogram, when you draw the diagonal, you are actually adding. So this is A vector minus B vector, which we are calling D vector. Have you understood that? Or not clear?
Yes.
We have used parallelogram law of addition. Nothing else. For this vector and minus B vector. Okay. Now, so similar looking diagram, and I want to find out the magnitude of this resultant. So I will complete a right angle somewhere. Alright. So I'm confused. Wait a minute. If you do it here, theta. Okay, this angle is theta. Is it fine?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
So if I would draw, if this angle, yeah, we don't need a 90. Is it fine?
Yes.
Let's call these points something like, for example, C, E, F, G, and H. Did you write down all the points?
Yes.
I can see it. E, F, G, and H. Now we are interested in finding D, which is equal to C, G. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is what we are after. Now let's mark out a few things here. This was also minus B vector, and the whole thing from A to F is A vector.
A vector.
So A vector, or A is equal to CF.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
A vector is from C to F. So A is equal to CF.
CF.
Then FG is equal to B. Clear or not?
Yes.
FG is equal to B.
Yes.
Okay, minus B.
Minus B.
Magnitude can be negative?
Yes.
No, length will always be positive. So B. Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, away EG is B sin theta. Nine.
Yes. Yes.
Lucky those. Look at that inverted triangle. Which one? In triangle EFG. What is sin theta? They got the inverted triangle.
Yes.
What is sin theta?
EG.
EG upon
B.
FG. Is that okay or not?
Yes.
Okay, so what is FG? FG is B. So EG equal to B sin theta. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So આ બધી equation side માં રાખો 1 2 3 we might need all this. Okay, similarly EF equal to B cos theta. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Same triangle. Adjacent there. So cos, and this EG is opposite. So plus all the raw materials are ready. Now we are going to put everything in Pythagoras theorem in triangle, right angle triangle. देखा है CEG. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay. Why are we choosing that triangle CEG? Because the hypotenuse of that triangle is D. Hypotenuse of the triangle is D. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
So Pythagoras theorem use करिए तो CG square is equal to CE square plus EG square. Correct?
Yes.
Fine. बोला ना जेवढी derivation है? Look at the first step of this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
So answer same नहीं आवे? ना. Why so? Let's see. CG is D. Correct or not?
Yes.
Equal. Now EG. What's EG? B sin theta. Isn't this step also looking like same? I would like to know.
Yes.
But the difference is only in CE. Have a look. What is CE?
A.
CE. अरे A क्या दिया अभी? C is not A. CF is A. CE is not A. CF is A. CE is equal to CF minus CF. Is this clear?
Yes.
અહીંયા લખી જ નાખો. એક સ્ટેપ વધારે તમને કન્ફ્યુઝન ન થાય. Is this understood?
Yes.
હવે પર અહીંયા CF આવે છે એમને BS બોલો ખોટું લખ્યું તો yes છે. CE is equal to CF minus EF. Okay, so what's CF? A and minus B cos theta. Correct or not?
Yes.
Now do you see what's different here? આમાં આની પહેલા ડેરિવેશન શું કરે? Instead of plus over there, here we are getting minus. Okay, so fast forward. Done. વચ્ચેના સ્ટેપ તમારે લખો. બરાબર જ કર્યું. એ બારે થોડુંક મેથ તમે શીખી. Because the only difference between this and that is the plus sign. So the x plus y whole square ની formula દી એટલે x minus y whole square. તો વચ્ચે માઈનસ આવે. That's it. બરાબર ને?
Yes.
લખી નાખો વચ્ચેના સ્ટેપ. ચલો લખવાના થયો. And I'm going to ask you both of these or all the three formulas tomorrow. Alright, magnitude of resultant, the angle between resultant and R vector, and the magnitude of difference. This is the formula of magnitude of difference. So manage to write all the steps in between.
Yes.
Then answer through.
Yes.
The math students have studied this very thing in a different form in a chapter of trigonometry. એમને તો મારે ખાલી કહી દેવાનું. This is what you have studied. Look now, put it. બરાબર ને? And it is called cosine rule. This formula or even the other one, both of them are cosine rule. નામ લેતો છે લગભગ physics ની book માં that is called cosine rule. You don't need to remember the name, don't worry. Done?
Yes.
Okay, what's theta here? In this formula, what is theta? Meaning of theta? Angle between A vector and B vector. Do not get confused. Write it if you want. Theta is the angle between A vector and B vector. Right? Angle between A vector and B vector. Just like it was in result. Our formula માં એમાં ખાલી plus minus નો difference. That's it. ચલો એક સમ આપો. અરે અત્યારે કરો હમણાં દે. હોમવર્ક ના આપતો કે. So suppose this is A vector. So કે difference આવશે એમ. Yeah, in your textbook only the magnitude of resultant is given, the magnitude of difference is not given. Alright, this is example 4.2 by the way. If I am not just saying it wrong. Example 4.2. So suppose you have got two vectors A and B and the angle between them is let's say 60 degrees. And A has magnitude 5 and B has magnitude 10. Then can you find magnitude of resultant? Do it. Can you find magnitude of resultant? Hurry up. Hurry up, come on. Shall I erase that part? Yes or no? Does silence mean yes? Does silence mean yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? Very tough question, isn't it? Finish? Root માં આવે જે આવે વાંધો નહીં. No need to use calculator. R equal to under root. What's the formula? A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Right. Do we have all the values? Yes. So what are 5 square 25. પછી 100. પછી 2 into 5 into 10 into cos 60. Understood?
Yes.
Why I was insisting so much on knowing all the values. આવું બધું અલગ-અલગ જગ્યાએ trigonometry આવશે physics. You cannot run away from it. So, 2 to cancel, square root of square root of 175. Can you simplify it further by taking something out? Can you simplify it further by taking something out? 50. 50 is what? Correct. 5 root 7 because you can take 25 out. Correct or not?
Yes.
25 into 7 is 175. Okay? So 5 root 7. Clear?
Yes.
In the same thing, can you find magnitude of the difference? That is A vector minus B vector. Can you find magnitude of A vector minus B vector?
Yes.
Love ના પડે. ના પડે ના પડે. Do it, come on. Done. What's the perfect time for root? And the answer is that is in simplified form 5 root 3. Alright?
Yes.
અહીંયા minus 50 કરી નાખો એટલે 75 આવે. Alright?
Yes.
That's what is going on.